Hey guys, this is Shum here from Smartphone Guru, and today in this video we will unbox this Oculus Quest 2 and we will see what we get inside the box and everything. So let's roll the intro and then we will continue. So over here on the top of the box it says you'll get a charging cable, glass spacer, a power adapter, 2 AA batteries, 2 touch controllers and a VR headset. Now let's quickly take this box out and we'll see what we get inside. So in this little box we get warranty and user guide and stuff like that, a Type-C charging cable, a 5V 2A 10W charger, a glass spacer which makes space for your eyeglasses by increasing space between your eyes and lens, 2 Oculus touch controllers, one for your left and one for your right hand, and they both come with a AA battery already installed in them. And the last and the most important thing is the VR headset itself. So let's take a quick overlook of it. So here on the top front we can see 2 cameras and another 2 on the front side. So in total we get 4 cameras for tracking. And now on the right we have a power on and off button and a mic, and down here we have a volume rocker and another mic for noise cancelling, and on the left we can see a 3.5mm audio jack and a Type-C port for charging and connecting it to a PC to play PC VR games through Oculus Link cable. So guys, this is it for this video, and as this is my first VR headset I will be testing it thoroughly and will upload a review of it. So if you want me to test any specific thing with this, do let me know about it in the comment section down below. And now at last, before leaving, if you like this video, hit that like button and do subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.